Here's something interesting. I've got a Tunnen kit. This is a Saab Tunnen, a very unusual aircraft. Let's get it in the light. I'm going to use that for my Thunderbirds diorama. I'm going to convert it into something a little more sci-fi, and this is typically what the special effects people in Thunderbirds did. They would get a regular kit, Starfighter or something like that, and then modify it to look like a futuristic jet. So I'm going to do it with this fat Tunnen, the flying barrel. That was what it was known as sometimes. So quite an unusual aircraft, one that I would like to modify. And I decided it wasn't quite what I wanted. Although it didn't look that recognisable as a regular aircraft, it didn't speak Thunderbirds to me either. So then I watched some of the Thunderbirds episodes. Now there's one called Edge of Impact, and in that there's an aircraft called the Red Arrow. And the Red Arrow crashes into a tele-relay tower. Red Arrow 2 and Red Arrow 1 crashes as well, and that's because they've been sabotaged by the hood. That aircraft was based on one of these. Another Saab, a Saab Draken this time, and that's a lovely shaped plane. And this, I thought, yeah, if I get one of these kits, and you can see I've got it, and put some engines on it. Originally they were from a Hustler aircraft, I think, the 4 engines that were on it. Well, mine will be from something else. I'm going to make this into a Red Arrow 3 or 4 or something like that. I'll give it another number. It may be slightly different, but it'll fundamentally be a Red Arrow, like it's a sort of later derivative, and that will look really Thunderbirds-like. And for the fans of Thunderbirds, when they see the layout, they think, oh yeah, that's Red Arrow. I remember that aircraft from the show. So this is a really good find. I got it on eBay, of course. There are a few Draken kits about, and that is going to be the fundamental basis for Red Arrow, the aircraft that's crashed on my Thunderbirds layout.